Hello to IG, this is Mujahid Sartawi and welcome to the computer science class, the class of 26th of March 2020. Today we will continue working with the pre-release material. In the previous class we talked about the new variable called a new order. Here we will ask the user to input something, to input enter if the user wants to place a new order. And we added here the while new order, the value in the new order contains empty value. This is an empty value. Do what? Do the following. Okay, do all of these steps, which is a copy of what we did in task number 1. Now if we go down, okay, you will see that another time we will type new order. Please enter, please press enter to place another order or any key to quit. So what's gonna happen here? Let's go up to the beginning of the code. Again, if the user enter an empty space or just press the enter button, the value of this variable will be empty. This means between two quotations it's an empty, it's nothing. While on the other hand, if the user entered any other key, you see here, if the user entered any other key like Q, B, S, whatever, or maybe space, then pressed enter, the value of the new order will be not empty, which means nothing will happen, and the it means that the user doesn't want anything to be ordered. So if we go back again, if the device order equals y, after, of course, after giving a command to the user to ask him whether he wants or she wants to order another device, and the answer will be yes or no. Now if the device order, the value of the device order equals to y, what's going to happen? All the devices will show up on the screen, and we explained this last time. All the 10 different options will be on the screen. While here in this device choice is going to be from 1 to 10, of course, and this is while. This while is for the validation. I explained it to you last time. And something else, the user will be, if the user didn't type a value which is from 1 to 10, another message will pop up to the user asking him to choose from 1 to 10. Something else, this statement, for example, is for calculating the total device price, which is total device price plus the D price. What is a D price? D price is a variable which shows us the device prices, the device choice minus 1, because we want to go to the array and take the location of the device price. If you go up to the array, you will know what I'm talking about here. Now let's see this part. SIM card skip F tablet. Now if the device choice is less than 7, what's going to happen? The SIM choice will be enter 1 for SIM free or 2 for PAYG. Why do we have this if the device choice is less than 7? Let's go up and see why device choice is less than 7. Let's see here. Let me run the code for you just to show you what's going on here. Okay, why? me change the language first. Why? Okay. Okay, what do we have here? We have the choices here. This is a tablet and this is a phone, you see. So can you see the tablets here? We have here tablet, and we have here the phones. The phones is going to include the SIM card, and that's why we put it here. Let me go down again. And this one is for the validation, the same thing. Now, if the user asked for, let's say, a SIM card, if the SIM card choice was 1, there should be a SIM card price. So the price here, if the choice will be 1, what's going to happen? Enter 1 for SIM free. SIM free, so 1 is a SIM free, so we're not going to charge the customer anything, so the price will be 0. Otherwise, else, if it's 2, the price will be 9.99. Then again, we will calculate the running total, which is running SIM price total, the total price plus the SIM price. Then we make a new line here. Now let's go again to the same thing we're gonna do. This is a copy of what we did in task number 1, the case order and the charge order. It's the same thing. Nothing new happened here. Then this message, we explained it to you because we want to ask the user to add another order or not. Now, what about the output? The on the screen, we need here to print the total SIM price, the total device price, the total case price, and the total charger price. And all of these variables that we defined early when we started the code, when we started solving this task. So we need to print all the device prices, the total prices for charger, case, and device, and SIM price. Now, what about the total order price? We want to calculate everything. So we need to add total SIM price, total device price, total case price with the total charger price. Then finally, we will print order summary to show the summary of what the customer ordered, the order total, let's say in dollar, we put a dollar sign here to show that this is amount of money, and we will round the total order into 2 decimal places, and this is all for task 2. Let's go back again to the requirements of task number 2 and see if we did everything correctly or not. Offer customer opportunity to purchase an additional mobile device, and we did that. If required, perform piloted steps 2 to 7 of task 1 for each additional mobile device and calculate the running total of the customer, and we already did this. Once no further devices are required, out with the total and the what we'll need to pay, and that's all. So we did everything related to task number 2. The next step will be I'm going to send you task number 2, the Python code for it, and you should study it well. And I will ask you to convert it into pseudocode. After that, maybe I'm going to give you another homeworks or maybe quizzes. So be ready for that and see you next time. That's all for today. Thank you.